Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Seruni Kirana Azzahra. I'm from Ali Maksum Junior High School. Today, I'm gonna make a trash dispenser. For the materials, I have one jerry can and two shoelace. And the tools are one cutter. First of all, cut the top of the jerry can with cutter following the existing patterns. Second, cut the bottom of the jerry can, the shape as a rectangle, but don't completely cut it off. Third, insert the shoelace. Before that, make holes on the bottom of the jerry can, the size of a shoelace. Next, insert the shoelace to make handle. Two times. And cut it off. Then, make holes on the back of the jerry can. The size as a shoe handle. Then, insert the shoelace through the holes. And tie it up. Last, hang the trash dispenser on the wall or wherever you like. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.